Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping into Cryptoflare. We're going to be doing a super quick update, checking out how our account is getting on and how much closer we are to passive income. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see, we're here in my Cryptoflare account. And like I say, this is going to be a super quick update, but there's just a couple of things I want to bring to you guys before we get into that. One is, I know this has been up here for a while saying please enable your 2FA security, but I really urge you to do that because at the end of the day, you know, a lot of these online programs can suffer with hacks and stuff like that. I'm not saying Cryptoflare is open to that, but what I'm saying is if it does happen, usually those people that have their account actually broken into and they lose their coins are generally people that have not enabled that 2FA security. Because basically, when these sites get hacked, the people that are doing the hacking, they just want to be in and then gone. They don't want to be messing around with second layer security. So if you have 2FA on your account, you're most likely going to be safe. Obviously, there's no guarantees. It's not 100%, but it's more than likely if you have 2FA, you are going to be safer than someone that does not have 2FA on their account. So please make sure that you do that. Also as well, for those of you that are new to Cryptoflare, if you're thinking about using it and you're living in the USA, this program is absolutely ideal because it does allow you to use C Wallet, and many of my subscribers and members over in the States do use C Wallet without any problem. So just think about that. If you're looking for a program, you're over in that part of the world, Cryptoflare and a couple of the other sites I have in my channel, you can go and check them out in the playlists. They do use C Wallet, and that means that basically for you over in America, that is going to be absolutely fine. And finally, obviously, if Cryptoflare is something that you're interested in, you think it looks a good and fun way to earn yourself some free crypto, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to a sort of tutorial. It's going to give you a lot more information and a better understanding of how the program works and what you need to be doing to get your accounts up and running and earn yourself some of those free coins. But if you go right the way to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. Okay, so now all that is out of the way, let's get into it. We're going to look at the numbers. So basically the last time we were in here was 1 month ago. Now if we go into so basically, like I say, check out the tutorial if you want to know any more information. There's multiple ways you can earn on here. There's a manual claim, there's you can surf ads, there's short links and offer walls, and you can even read articles. That will all help you keep your account moving forward. And also you have a 24-hour claim faucet when you first log in. So anyway, now that is all out of the way, so what we're going to do is just quickly jump straight in to the you can see basically today. So before you can see today I've earned 214 sats, and if we drop into the rev share, so we've got 215 there, 0.82. You can see we've got nearly 60 sats waiting there in the rev share, so we're going to take that as profit. That gives us 271. So what we're going to do is we're going to just add that to our investment. So that's 271. And like I say, it has been 1 month since the last time we logged in. If we scroll down, you can see here, this is our invested sats. We've got 20,571. So 1 month ago, we were at 17,000 365. So that's, what is that, over 3,000, to get on close to 4,000 Satoshis we've reinvested back into the program. And if we then look at the numbers here, so if we type 2571 here, so 1 month ago, our daily sats were 11.8. You can now see that we're basically up to 14. So that's an improvement of 3 sats per day just on the sort of what we're getting back with our 25% APR on that. So essentially interest. Weekly, we were at 93. You can, 83 a month ago. You can now see we're at 98.6. Monthly, 1 month ago, we were at 356.8. You can now see we're at 422.6. So that is, what's that? An improvement of 70 odd sats per month. And then you can see yearly, 1 month ago, we were at 4,341.2. We are now at 5,142. So you can see that is an improvement of about 800 sats per year. I know, obviously, and I've said this in the past, this program is a bit of a slow burner. Also, as well, I have to admit that because I brought the new program Coin Masters to the platform the other day, I have been spending a lot more time in there, and I've not been spending so much time in Cryptoflare. But at the end of the day, it is still pushing the account forward. We are still moving closer to that point of passive income. I mean, at the end of the day, passive income really with this site is wherever you want it to be. So initially with this program, what I'm trying to do is to get this to the point where we're earning 1,000 Satoshis per month. That is basically what that's like my initial focus. But after that, I will still be reinvesting as well to then keep pushing that higher and higher and get to the point where we're getting a really nice passive income. And that is basically the point of us using this program, is to get to the point where our our interest that we're earning right here is actually giving us a really nice passive income that obviously we can withdraw regularly. But it's, and then if we want to, we can then obviously continue using the site, doing the short links, doing the PTC ads, doing the faucets, all that kind of stuff, and then reinvest in that at the same time as withdrawing the Satoshis that we're earning from our interest for the rev share. And for those of you that have not seen any of the previous videos that I've done on Cryptoflare, if we drop into finance, go to withdraw, you can see all the possible withdrawal options. So you've got Faucet Pay, as pretty much most of the programs I use Faucet Pay. We've also got C Wallet, which, like I say, for those of you over in the States and some other places around the world, is absolutely ideal. We've got Payeer, Binance, CoinX. We've got a direct withdrawal to pretty much any wallet that you want, as long, like a mobile wallet or a hardware wallet. You can just put your direct withdraw address in there, and then also you've got the Indian rupee as well. So that is pretty much all I'm going to bring you about the site. I hope you found that helpful and informative. If you are interested in that earlier video that I talked about, it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you can smash that like button, please, it really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.